So hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So number system के 4 marks के session number 4. Okay. So 2018 the 4 marks के hangi ba question number discuss towards. So question G part ani. So part number 1, if prove that if xyz belong to real number. Okay, x is not equal to 0 and xy is equal to xz, then y is equal to z. Karigumba xyz c real number oiraba. Adu x c 0 oidraba. Adu oitadi xy is equal to xzc laibukanda y is equal to zc oigani and proof to. Okay, so part 2, the x for any x real number, the x into 0 will always be 0. Okay, so see question 2018 the 4 marks ki anki. So let us proceed. Ahamada since x is not equal to 0 by existence of multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse na kari hai 1 by x kawama laigani, which belongs to real number such that x into 1 by x is equal to 1. Okay, adaidi question na pyramid is no x into y is equal to x into z and question na pyramid. Okay, sigi pyramid ba question is the equation multiply toxilasi 1 by x and natra adu itar the x into y have malani left hand side the 1 by x na multiply to na right hand side to 1 by x na multiply to. Okay, now next is 1 by x ka x ka punjan birasi natra y is in tumana thambirasi 1 by x right hand side sigizu x siga punjan birasi aduga z sina tumana thamasi sidai the seasonary je ekoina kaino by associativity of multiplication. Okay, sigi portion ekoina seasonary natra mathanga mo sidai the is the 1 by x habisiga x siga multiply tarodi 1 tan natra which is equal to 1 natra. Similarly so nakandazu 1 into z natra sigi is the kaigino by property of multiplicative inverse and labor portion. Gantarani ko sidagi amuk kailera 1 by y 1 by 1 into x y is equal to 1 1 into z is equal to z sina kaigino by property of multiplicative identity natra multiplicative identity na kari hai karigumba number ama laiba matamda adugi number dudaida 1 na multiply tobasi masamak adum tagani. Okay, sigi statement cinema na proof to one hide. Okay, aduna ekoina kari haini we can conclude that y is equal to z natra. So x is equal to x into y is equal to x into z or matamda x not belonging to 0 y siga z siga managani. Yantare ko. So the first part is done. Now let's look at the second part. Second part is the karino Roman number 1. Okay, so Roman number 2 gi man haiji for any x belonging to real number. Okay, x into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, adu itadi I ko in ahamada kari haini hogani haimatum 0 is the 0 tinjanabasi 0 tagani. Okay, sina kari gino by property of additive identity. Additive identity na kari hai number amada 0 tinjanbaji masamak agani ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 0 ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ 0 ꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯀꯦ now sidayda aikoina x sina multiply toksilasi 0 plus 0 sidayda natra sona kandaju x sidayda right hand side to multiply tora natra sidi kaino x into 0 plus x into 0 which is equal to x into 0 sidayda koina kari sina gani by distributive law haina natra distributive law na kari haige haiba matamda kari gumba aikoida real number ahum lere a b c natra sigi a jina b plus c da multiply tauba haiba c karino haiba matamda a into b plus a into c haiba ga chap managani okay now next is sumaina laibiside da aikoina kari ama option b ge x into 0 plus x into 0 is equal to x into 0 is the plus 0 ama option b natra 0 am kai hai additive identity 0 da hapsing matam da karim to tawroi number amada 0 tinjan bi masamak tagadamnina by property of additive identity haiba property is now series de yonko amaru oi series da anobo concept ma hapsala ni series da series x into 0 is x into 0 is left hand side to 0 right hand side to 0 adu ita de ani de cancel to mu gibi yare ko natra adu ita le ho is gaino x into 0 is equal to 0 series da koina kai haini by cancellation law natra okay igi matung da di koina kai habiare amana hairam ba x cover real number am laibu matamda adugi real number duga 0 ga multiply togasi 0 tagani haibisi aikoina proof tore yantare ko sumaina solve togani sigi questions first part is easy the second part is a bit tricky nata romal number 2 okay sigi kitang tricky oi but it is not that hard also anyways thank you for joining Anka classes. I hope you guys had a great learning experience. We will meet again in the next session.